What will Pencils imagine today? There's lots of things to check outside.
Let me check the weather first.
Oh my. Pencils has decided it's a bit too windy to go outside. But maybe, just maybe, she could imagine being in the wind.
What special things like being in the wind?
While Pencils is thinking, you can think about the wind too. What do you like to do when it's windy outside?
Wind.
Let's give Pencils a little time to think.